You are going to love the 2025 Expedition. Powerful, controlled, resourceful. Expedition. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, rear spoiler, four-wheel drive, turbocharged, panoramic roof, blind spot monitor, power retractable running boards, tow hitch, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels. Create lasting memories with your loved ones on unforgettable road trips.
This Ford certified pre-owned vehicle has undergone a rigorous inspection by factory-trained technicians. We notice everything. Enjoy the confidence of the comprehensive limited warranty that offers coverage on more than 500 components. Relax, it's covered. See your dealer for details.